These are the parrots. We're going to show y'all the parrots.
Why is it staring at me like that?
Here is the parrots.
Is them a parrots?
Ooh, look at that. Well, hi parrots.
You go down there with them.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. So I'm on YouTube. So I'll be on YouTube. You'll be famous on the show. There's an owl right there? Wow. Let's show them the owl. Ooh, what is that?
It'll talk to you.
It'll talk to you.
Oh, really?
It's
Oh,
a
wow.
pretty bird.
That'll help
Pretty
out
bird.
with the
Pretty
YouTube
bird.
show. Hi, how you doing?
Pretty
Look at
bird.
this. Oh. Hi, are you a pretty bird?
I could take more pictures.
Are you a pretty bird?
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Hi.
Pretty bird.
Let's go.
Can you talk?
Pretty bird.
There you go.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Oh, look, he's about ready to talk.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh,
Pretty
cool.
bird. Hey, pretty bird.
Oh, yeah, it's about to talk.
Pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird?
All the way in the neck.
Pretty bird.
You pretty owl? I mean, pretty bird?
Wait, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Look at this. Yeah. An owl. Owl. Wait, watch it. It can turn its
Very good bird, okay?
Come on,
Bye.
Like, they can turn their head and like
Come
circle.
on.
Harry.
Here's an owl.
They're holding the top.
Right there's an owl.
Come on.
Y'all just taking pictures, ain't you, son?
I got a really
Hi, owl.
picture.
How you doing there, owl? Woo. You say hi?
Oh, and that blue
You're a pretty owl. Yeah. Oh, wow. That thing turns his head. Weird.
That's not.
What's that one?
It's a blue golden macaw.
Oh. Hi, how you doing? Look at this blue golden thing here. It's a bird there. Hi. How you doing? You doing all right? Huh? Oh. What is it? What? Did you talk? Hi. How you doing?
Pretty bird. Are you a pretty bird?
Oh, cool.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. You are a pretty bird.
Yeah.
So pretty.
You're a pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's doing tricks.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Yes, pretty bird. Pretty? Are you a pretty bird?
Tell him bye.
Dad, it's trying to show you a trick.
Oh, yeah, we've seen the trick. Yeah, cool.
Cool
You have
trick.
a good day. Bye. Like, share, subscribe our videos. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wow. Look at this. What's this one? Oh. And we got this one over here. Hello. How are you?
Come on, itching.
Well, that one's pretty there too.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a closer look
It's
at
gotta
it.
say pretty bird.
You pretty bird.
Pretty bird. So clean it. What other people doing? Not you.
Oh, that one's pretty. Very beautiful. You know. All right. What's this one down here?
Come on. You're not going to drink it. I'm just so away.
I'm going to drink it. I'm just filming with this stuff.
What's chicken, there's a chicken.
Where?
I'm here in front of you.
There's a chicken? Oh, cool.
Out though. How did it get out? Wait, what? Dad, don't get close to it. It'll clock you.
It's a chicken.
That's a rooster, I
It'll
think.
clock you.
That's a rooster. Come here, Skylar.
Wait.
Skylar. Come here.
Hey, rooster.
I forgot to
Go home, Greg.
Come on, Skylar.
On the map, turkey.
What's this one?
There's nothing in there.
Huh?
I think it was a rooster.
What's this? Look at this thing.
It's a. What is that?
Hello.
What is that thing? What is that thing?
Sarah, come here.
What is that thing?
Where's it at? I couldn't see it.
Is it? Oh, another one. It's right here.
It's right here. See it?
No, it's right here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's
I don't know what that is.
It's a bird. Thanks, Craig.
There's the bird there. And then these right here. Wow. Look at these. These are pretty.
Get back up here.
Very pretty.
Take a picture with it. There you go. There you go.
Oh, cool. Is it talk?
Pretty bird. Yeah.
Pretty bird.
Do you talk?
Yeah, but it only talked to me though.
Do you talk?
It's shy.
Hello.
Uh-oh. Don't scare it now. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Hello.
You doing all right? Huh? You all right? Well, you have a good one. Like, share, subscribe our videos to Go to Family Adventure Reality Show.